This is what it's really about. This is what it's really about. So this is for you if you're someone who feels like if you're someone who feels that you're spiritually drained by the middle of the week, or you want consistency instead of emotional highs and lows, or you are ready to build a disciplined daily rhythm and daily habits and faith habits, specifically faith centered habits. But if you're someone who's like, no, Nate, I just want to have that Sunday high, just like you're going to a concert and when the music stops, I don't mind. Or if you're someone who just doesn't want any sort of structure to their lives and you just enjoy more spontaneity, or you're someone who just prioritizes that emotional experience over consistent practice, if you're someone who's like that, this is the message maybe you don't want to hear, but you need it the most. You need it the most because as Christians, as believers, we're being called to grow in our faith. We cannot stay as infants. We have to grow in our faith and mature to understand that the relationship that we're being called to is a personal relationship, is a personal relationship which doesn't depend on Sundays alone. It's what you do on a daily basis. Are you praying? Are you reading the scripture? Are you taking moments to be quiet and still just to hear from God? What is God telling you? Are you paying attention to the signs in your life, the relationships that you have, things that are happening around you? Are you paying attention to the times? Do you even know what times that we're living in? Because God speaks to us in so many different ways, through people around us, through the word, through things that we interact with. God is always speaking because He's the creator of everything. Even the stars, even the sun, everything, every creation is obedient to God. And you are also being called to that relationship, to obey out of love, to live a life that is aligned with God out of love. So, right now, what you need to do is really think about the things that you can improve on, whether it's like waking up early to create intentional space in the morning, or if you remove your phone and eliminate distractions at the start of the day, or you can spend time in stillness before engaging with anything else and reading just one passage or even just one verse of the scriptures daily, just on a daily basis. And you pray consistently, even if it's simple and brief, like I said, and you include a form of physical movement to activate your body. And you just have to repeat this process over and over because that is how you form faith centered habits. When you consistently do the same things, that is how you form faith centered habits. At one point, it's going to feel like, oh my goodness, okay, I've been doing the same thing over and over, over and over, over and over, because some people just feel that resistance, right? The resistance will come. And that is part of the process where the resistance comes, where you feel like, I want to give up. I'm just going to let go. You have to keep pressing. You have to get past it. You have to recognize that I'm facing resistance right now. The resistance will come. It's normal. And even if you slip up, and that's the most important thing, you're supposed to have grace for yourself. Yes, you're feeling that way. It's normal. It's a part of the process. But you have to come back. Just come back because God is going to meet you where you are. He knows, He already understands anything that you think that you're facing, that you think that maybe I can do on my own. Like He knows that He's there to sustain you and He's ready to catch you even when you slip. His love, His grace is infinite. It's undying. So keep on coming back. Keep on working to build that personal relationship.